After inserting an item, we shall see how to delete an item from the array at a given position. Deleting an existing item. You know, when you delete an item from the array, the number of items is reduced by 1. N becomes n minus 1. Now let us, if you take this array as an example, 4 items, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. A of 5. Now, when you delete, we enter the position to delete. Suppose the position is 2 here. Position is 2, index is 2. So the item 30 has to be deleted. So after delete, as I told, n becomes n minus 1. The number of items becomes 1 less. What is the logic? Similar to shifting in the case of inserting a new item, here also the higher order elements to be shifted towards the lower order elements to delete that. How is that? To delete at the given position P, this one, 30 has to be deleted here. 40 has to be assigned to 30. So that 30 is overwritten by 40. At the place of 2, there will be the next item. And 40 has to be replaced by 50. So each time the higher order elements have to be shifted to a immediate lower order position. 50 to this. But starting from the given position only, we can do that. So it is an upward loop. For loop is upward only, starting from the given index P, right, till we get the last step. So the for loop, the algorithm I will write. Step 1. Now here, when you delete an item, like 30 is overwritten, this item is not available. So in case you have to display which is the deleted item, you must store it in a separate variable. That also we can do that. So this is in case we have to display which item is getting deleted, then we have to store it before you shift the items. So we have element is equal to A of P, where P is the index where we have to delete. Right. Step 1. So step 2, as usual, the for loop for I is equal to P to n minus 1. It is an upward loop. In the case of insertion, it was a downward loop. Last to P. Here it is upward loop from the given position till the end of the array. Shifting A of I is equal to A of I plus 1 here. It is just the reverse of insertion operation. Shifting down here. So any element at the next position has to be assigned to the previous. 40 has to be assigned to the previous location. 2. Item at the index 4 has to be shifted to the lower position, index 3. So that is how it will be shifting towards the lower positions. So this will take care of shifting items down. Next, step 3. So when you shift naturally, n is equal to n minus 1. The item getting deleted. So you can display also in step 4. Right? Anywhere you can display. After you, even here also you can display that. Print deleted item is element. So this is the item getting deleted. Right? The element you can display which item is getting deleted, which is stored in already the variable element. So step 5 end. So that is a very simple algorithm of shifting the items down. But shifting starts from the given position towards the end of the array. It is a forward loop. Now let us write the program to show this deletion of item. Now let us see the program. I have written the program already. According to the algorithm, recall the algorithm. Void main int A of 25 I n element and the position. Enter the array size n, enter the array items C in A of I as usual, follow. Enter the position to delete P. Now a small validation for P. If P is more than n minus 1, when you delete, the item at the maximum can be at the index n minus 1. There is no item beyond n minus 1. So when you enter an index like n or n plus 1, for example, if there are 5 items, last index is 4. You cannot enter 5. 5 is not available. So when you enter a position to delete like more than n minus 1, last index, it is invalid. So you display invalid position. Else that means you can delete from the given position. Position is valid. Store the element at the given position P in the variable element. That is why we have declared the variable element. Later you can display it. I have not displayed here, which is the printed item. You can display also. For I is equal to P I less than n I plus plus, A of I is equal to A of I plus 1. Already I have explained in the algorithm. A of I plus 1, the next item should be shifted down, back towards the previous position, right? Location. So A of I is equal to A of I plus 1. Right? Next item is assigned to the previous location. So this happens in the for loop. So this for loop, there is only one statement, takes care of shifting the items down. So number becomes n minus 1 less. So later you display the array after the deletion. So thus we have seen insertion and deletion in the algorithms as well as the programs. Hope you have understood this.